In this tutorial video, we demonstrate the programming and operation of the One Wireless Series thermostat for MAARMO Creative Radiators. The video explains how to connect the thermostat to your radiator, set the time, program schedules, define zones, and adjust temperatures. The One Wireless thermostat will automatically connect to the MAARMO Creative Radiators power box. Set time and temperature, create zones and program schedules. Press and hold the chrono button for 4 seconds from the menu. Select time, year, month, and date. Then confirm each selection using the mode button. Change different functions mode settings. Change the operating mode by pressing the mode button. Available modes: auto programs, comfort, eco, frost protection, and 2-hour boost. Configure the temperature settings for every operating mode. Choose and apply the operating mode you want. How to set your heating using preset program P8 time schedules. Use program P8 to apply a predefined daily heating schedule. Press and hold the chrono button for 4 seconds to open the settings menu. Use the plus and minus buttons to select P8 or P9. Press the mode button once to confirm your selection. You can now set a time schedule sequence for every hour of the day using the plus key, on, and the minus key, off. Confirm the programmed schedule for day 1, Monday. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining 6 days of the week. Then press Program to confirm each day. After downloading the MAARMO Comfort app, connect to the internet and create your personal account using your email address, then choose a secure password.